Good morning, students. Today in this class, we are going to discuss the very first lesson prescribed for 10th standard called Chanakya and Rakshasa. Before going to discuss about this lesson, I would to clarify few things. Chanakya was a wise and able minister who made Chandragupta to ascend the throne of Magadha, and he knew that another person was there who was called Rakshasa, who was now the minister of Nandas, was wiser than him. So he decides to put Rakshasa, to make Rakshasa the minister of Magadhas. But Rakshasa was not present in the kingdom, and nobody knows the whereabouts of Rakshasa. Now we started planning to bring Rakshasa forward and make him the minister of Magadha. During this stage, the story commences. Now I will discuss this lesson paragraph wise. Please listen carefully. Chandragupta became the king of Magadha with the help of a clever man called Chanakya. As we know that Chanakya was the king of Magadha, but he became the king of Magadha with the help of a clever man, an intelligent man and brilliant man by name Chanakya. Chanakya's great task was almost done. Chanakya has completed a great work when he had placed Chandragupta on the throne, and he was able to place Chandragupta on the throne of Magadha. This was not an easy task, but this great task was done by Chanakya, and he made Chandragupta the king of Magadha. Only one thing remained him to do, but he had left with only one thing to do. That was to find wise and able minister to help Chandragupta to rule the kingdom. Now the only one work has to be completed by Chanakya, that is to find the wise and able minister to rule the kingdom of Magadha. His choice fell on Rakshasa. Suddenly, his choice, he selected Rakshasa. But Rakshasa was the great minister of Nanda kingdom. But Chanakya selected Rakshasa, but Rakshasa was the minister of Nandas. Rakshasa was on the side of Nandas. Rakshasa, who was the minister of Nandas, was on the side of Nandas, the enemy of Chandragupta. Look at this. There was enmity between Magadha and Nandas. Hence Chandragupta had to win him over. Now Chanakya had to win him over. He knew that the kingdom would be safe if Rakshasa became the minister. He knew well that the kingdom would be safe if the enmity between Nandas and Magadhas will end. So he wanted to make Rakshasa the minister of Magadha. But now, how to find whereabouts of Rakshasa? But nobody knows where Rakshasa was. He had been in hiding somewhere. None but his friend Chandan Das knew where he was. Nobody knows where Rakshasa was living now. Only one person knew where he was. He was none other than his close friend Chandan Das. Chandan Das was not a man to let out the secret for anything in the world. But this man, Chandan Das, will not tell where is Rakshasa, even if you give all the wealth on this earth. However, Rakshasa hits upon a plan. Now suddenly Chanakya hits upon a plan. Chanakya made a plan. He imprisoned Chandan Das. Suddenly he imprisoned Chandan Das, announced throughout the kingdom, and he started announcing throughout the kingdom that if Minister Rakshasa does not return within a fortnight means 15 days. If Rakshasa does not return within a fortnight, if he will not come back within 15 days, the head of Chandan Das would be cut off. He said that the head of Chandan Das would be cut off. This news spread far and wide like a wildfire, and this news started spreading throughout the nook and corners of his kingdom. A fortnight from that date passed. Now 15 days are over, yet there was no sign of Rakshasa coming out of his hiding place. But Rakshasa didn't turn up. Rakshasa didn't come back from his hiding place. Next day, Chandan Das was taken to a marketplace. Next day, he took Chandan Das, who was a very close friend of Rakshasa, to the marketplace, and all the people had come out to see what would really happen. Now all the people anxiously gathered there to watch what will happen. When the order to cut off his head was read out loudly, the crowd waited in breathless silence. The crowd was waited in breathless silence. The crowd gathered in the marketplace to see what will happen to Chandan Das. This crowd was almost breathless. Just at this moment, a man came to a place rushing and crying. When they were about to cut the head of Chandan Das, a man came running to this place. He said that, "Stop, stop." All eyes turned towards the man, and all the eyes were turned to that man. He seemed to have come from a long distance, and people noticed that he had come from a long distance, and his clothes were very dusty, they were very shabby. He was wet all over with sweat, and he was covered with perspiration all over, and he looked very tired, and he was looking very tired. He shouted, "Here I am Rakshasa whom you seek." That person who came from a long distance, whose clothes were dusty and wet, was covered all over the kingdom. All over the clothes were none other than Rakshasa. "For God's sake, spare Chandan Das." He said that, "For God's sake, spare my friend Chandan Das. I am here." The people were shouted in joy, and suddenly the people of Magadha started shouting in joy, "Oh, it is Minister Rakshasa, Chandan Das is saved." They look at their surprise. They were surprised that at last Rakshasa came and Chandan Das is saved. Chanakya came forward and received Rakshasa with a great honor. Now Chanakya came forward and received Rakshasa with great respect. He made him to agree to be the minister of Magadha, and he make him to be the minister of Magadha. He offered rich presents to Chandan Das. Now Chandan Das was given rich presents and sent home. Chandan Das was safely sent to home by Chanakya. Now Rakshasa was made the minister of Magadha.